Ladies and gentlemen, dames and heren, it's not a Mercedes car that I'm marketing today. No, we are right in the middle of Observatory. I'm showing you new for sale on the market, a terraced little house. This is number 17. And here you can get an idea of the street where we are in. And opposite there's the Eden. It's a huge apartment block, as you can see, and next to it is Madison. We're in the middle of it all. The hospital is just there. These little houses, I think, was built for nurses. Right now it is privately owned property which is for sale. The owner had a cat before, so you can see here is the most amazing cat environment right here outside the window. The unit is divided into two, so we have at the back one unit, and we're going to first look at the one in the front, which is right here by your front door on the left. Little lounge area. The window goes to that cat environment. Everything is pretty compact out here. There are actually two pianos, if you want to believe it or not. The wall that we are looking at of this little lounge is drywall with the wall on the room next door, which is another lounge for the other unit. So this self-contained unit consists then of what is this small little lounge area here, and then coming to the top you have packing space for clothes. It's all part of an AirBnB business. The owner stayed here and she rented out one part of the house. Here you can see is north facing, very sunny, very pleasant looking shower with a water closet and a hand basin. That's where you'll be sleeping. And here is a mini kitchenette with a dishwasher and a washing machine. And now we are going downstairs to have a look at the other part of the cottage. Altogether it could be a super duper renovation project. You just have to make sense of it financially and give me your best offer. It's real bohemian living here. This is where your electricity distribution board is with a prepaid meter. Look at the decor here, going into another world. This is the lounge of the other unit. You can close the one up, and you can see here's a door here, so you can also close this unit up here if you want to make it into two homes like they have done right now. That window is north facing. Here's a working fireplace. The kitchen is out that way, and the wall we are looking at, this blue wall, is partitioned with a little lounge through a drywall. There are wooden floors here everywhere, and going down 2 steps to the kitchen, then you have tile floors. Here everything is smeg, so if you are Italian you might find it all appealing, although none of this is included in the sale. Here by the this little fridge here is a dishwashing machine facility. There are double washing up basins, too many cupboards, loads of built-in cupboards here everywhere, as you can see. There's an alarm system, and then we're going into the second bedroom with tile floors. This is now the bedroom of flat number 2, if you want to call it. This flat number 2 has got access to the outside through those double doors. Here are some, if you look closely, some kind of damp issues that may need your attention. And then this room is en suite with a jacuzzi bath. There's a hand basin. There's a super duper shower. It's very nice and airy out here. And I am your estate agent, Werner. When you want to know more, please give me a call, or you can reach me at hotpropertyinCapetown.com. I'm your man for Observatory. Now, this ensuite bathroom has also got a water closet, and here you can see there are double washing up facilities here, or a washer and a dryer. You can also go out from here to the back. There it gives you an idea of the outside seating area. This will be obviously very nice in summer, off your kitchen or off this second bedroom. And then it leads to the very back servitude, which is shared by everybody. Each one has got their own, and this owner is using it as a washing line area where you can hang out your washing. It's all private, secure. The neighbor has got a braai area here. This is all compact living with Jasmine in the heart of Observatory. And there's also a braai here. So if you're interested in a project, thank you for watching. I look forward to hearing from you.